Jabalia's dust, where shadows stretch along. A son of exile rose with steady hands and song. Dr. Hussam, white coat of men, the rubble's cry. Pediatric guardian beneath a fractured sky. Incubators hum through blackout nights. Tiny hearts mended with dwindling lights. Thousands drawn from death's impatient door, while bombs fell relentless on Gaza's shore. He walked the siege, refused the safer road. His son's young laughter silenced in the code of drones and fire, yet still he stood. A father's grief wrapped tight in doctor's hood. From Kamal Adwan's halls his voice rang true. Not rage but witness, we heal for you. A bridge of mercy in the war-torn stream, where pain and hope in fragile balance teem. Now iron holds the hands that once gave life. Solitary shadows cut the healer's strife. No charge pronounced, yet justice bends and breaks, while calls for freedom echo for all stakes. Oh, world that watches, hero forged in flame. Release the bound, let not their light be tamed. For every doctor, nurse, and quiet brave who stands for breath when nations dig the grave. Let healing rise beyond the victor's claim, where children's laughter drowns the roar of pain. A justice not a sword, but steady scale. Truth unveiled where hidden stories pale. From Gaza's wounds to every troubled shore, may mercy bind what hatred tore. Dr. Hussam, your legacy endures. A call to men to free, to make us pure. In every hero stand, a spark remains. Light for the lost and justice through the chains. May peace embrace the living and the gone, and healers walk again at break of dawn.